This is critical analysis of the gold market. I focus mainly on the gold candlesticks, analyzing the previous candlesticks in order to detect the direction of the gold market for every coming week. Welcome to Progress FS. Before we go into the video, guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned whenever I post a new video, because I post valuable videos on gold insight every week. Subscription is free. They don't pay to subscribe to YouTube channel. It is an encouragement to my person who makes the video. Alright guys, this is weekly time frame. In the last week, I told us that the price of gold is going to go down or up and then come to retest this area. I placed this horizontal line. I said that it's going to retest and break down or up due to the fact that the market is still ranging, going sideways for a while now. I may mention that the reason for retesting is because of these two candlesticks. I specifically said that it is because this red one engulfed VIX, so indicating that the bears are still in the market. As a result of that this candlestick cannot continue going down once it comes out, except it comes to retest here. Looking at the candlesticks to detect what is going to happen this coming week, there is a trick. And the trick is that this candlestick did not retest the engulfed area and return back. Rather, it retested and closed above. And this happened on Friday. So which means there was no chance for the candlestick to come down. So the implication here is, in the coming week, when the candlestick comes out, it's either that it starts coming down automatically to this zone, or it continues to go up. Considering this very candlestick, which is a bullish momentum candlestick, the most important thing here, guys, is because this very bullish momentum candlestick also engulfed this one. Looking at the tail, and ever since it engulfed, the price have not gotten to this zone up there. So we are looking at two important areas, because this very candlestick have successfully closed above this momentum candlestick. There's possibility for the market to go up or up to this zone. The possibility is there. Looking at this bearish candlestick, you will also see that the possibility of the continuation of the bears to this zone coming week from 25th to 29th is there. Overall, I made mention that these three candlesticks still remains our major candlesticks of interest until price crosses above or closes below successfully, that we are not considering a breakout at the moment. Go to the small time frame, you will understand that these 3 weeks candlesticks have been trading between the high and low of the last 5 and 4 weeks candlesticks. The fact that the whole market is going sideways for a long time now and is currently approaching the breakout area. There is what you should focus on. Like I said, this tested this zone first, and this, since it tested, the market price have not been able to go back to this zone. So the three key things to take out on the weekly time frame is that these two structures remained strong and the gold price successfully closed above this structure, and that this bullish momentum candlestick that engulfed DAX is still very much active, and that the market was successfully retested the engulfed area of these two candlesticks and likely going to continue going up as a result of this bullish momentum candlestick, or continue coming down as a result of the engulfed area as retested. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed and turn on the notification bell. Let's go back to small time frame. Guys, this is daily time frame. Like I said, the last 5 weeks are in between here, right? So the 5th week was the one that retested this structure here, and the 4th week retested the structure here, while the other 3 weeks are still in between. Now, here is what you should look closely to understand. After retesting this structure, the price went up, breaking above this key area of interest. After breaking above, the market came down and did not get to this structure, right? It is a trick. Instead, it went up, closing above this key area again. So supporting that the bulls are still strong on the daily time frame and likely going to continue from this 25th to 29th while the market open, possibly up to this structure or above. That's what we saw on the weekly and daily time frame. As you can see, it's a trend on the 4 hours time frame, and the impulse correction normally on the weekly and on the daily time frame is also a trend on the 4 hours time frame. This is to tell you that actions currently happening on the gold market is not within the small time frame, because the gold market is seriously overbought, and as a result of that, the bulls became very, very weak. Before the bears will take 100% control of the market down to about 2,700 or thereabout price, we don't expect the market to move like as if it is on the expressway. So, and that is why you are seeing this ups and down until the bears will finally take control. So, but at the moment, we are looking at possible continuation of temporary up trend on this. Okay guys, to support these bull claims, let us use Fibonacci. We are going to use a Fibonacci retracement and this Fibonacci based extension. So we first of all use Fibonacci retracement to see why the price of gold retraced up to this place, and the possibility of the market to come down again before possibly going up. And the other one is to see the point where we expect the price to get to up there, or where it will get to down there. So let us take Fibonacci retracement. X. So guys, this was our expectation throughout the last week, which took a while before it happened. All right guys, I said the last week that the price is going to come to this 50% area and probably go to the extreme entry point. And just like I said, that it is going to probably come down or go up. You could also see that it came down from about 334 price to this zone, which is about 3312, before coming to this 50%. If you watch the last week video, you will see exactly this. So I say exactly what the market does, and of course it usually happens. So at the moment, as you can see, we are at the extreme entry point, the area of 61. So which means the possibility of the market coming down the next week is there. So we are done with the Fibonacci retracement. Let us take Fibonacci based extension, DIX. Alright guys, so we are going to do DIX. This is going to come to this place. That is the high of the last 5 weeks moment. So, and this is going to come to this place. That is the low of the 4th week, and because it's been trending within these 2 key areas, we're going to place this one here. As you can see, the normal thing, the price came to retest this 50% area. Yeah, so for the fact that it retested this 50% area and returned back, it means the bears are invalid. The idea of the market bearishing as seen on the weekly time frame. Let us also use it to see the bull fox. Using it to see the bull fox, whether it is in line with our analysis, I'm going to place this here and this one at this point, and this at the point, the low of the last week. So guys, as you can see, the price is yet to get to the 50% area. The possibility is there, and in extension, there is possibility of the price getting to this 60% area in the coming week. Yeah, that is Monday and maybe Tuesday, before coming down, or in some cases it will not come down, it will simply range a bit, right, and fire to this 100%, right? So but at the moment, the first target is this 50 and the 60% area, as you can see. It means by Monday, 2 things are going to happen, because it's a new week. The market might spike up to these areas, as said, or it will come down to this area. Remember, this is like a double wing. So the possibility of market coming back to retest before going is there. So it's likely to come retest and then go back to the 50% or 61% entry point area. Alright guys, that is what to expect for the gold market this coming week. Join my Telegram channel so that you get every notification for the entry points. It's always massive. Follow me on Facebook, follow me on X, and stay active in my channels, because I send signals on all these channels. I give especially market insight on my Telegram channel. It's very important that you are there. The link is going to be on the description, so click and join. For now.